Hi, this is Andy, coming to you from Bangkok, and today I'm going to be experimenting with a green screen, following the advice of my sponsor, Wassily Beribilis. And I think this can possibly be done. I've certainly got a green screen, and I'm going to overlay this. I'm going to try it in iMovie. They say it can be done in iMovie, and yeah, well, I'll be happy to try iMovie. I'm not quite sure what sort of content, but I can overlay a background. I'm sure of that. So I'm going to run this green screen test for about a minute, and then we'll put it into the computer and see what comes out. Who knows? Could be a great success story. Alright, onwards and upwards.